So, the last few days I was sick, so I didn't upload a video, but hopefully today I can be back with something that brings you advice and makes you live a more fulfilled life. So, while I was sick, I was able to watch videos and I was listening a lot to Jordan Peterson. And in one video, he said that uh, in one afternoon, you should just sit there and think of what you're doing wrong in your life and how you could change that. And that really just made me think. Because a lot of people are very much into this hustle culture. So they're just hustling all the time. And the thing that's really detrimental about this is that the people who are always hustling are doing it wrong. What great advice! Because they are not they don't analyze what they actually should do. Because how you should actually approach doing task is you picking out the most important thing and doing it first, not always being in motion. Because always being in motion is just a coping mechanism which doesn't get you forward, but you feel like you're doing something, but actually you could be doing so much more. So take a step back and think and have a good day.